Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Villa Park, Eel, Chicago West. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This motel is located in Villa Park, 25 minutes drive from the center of Chicago. It features an outdoor pool. Cable TV is included in each guest room at Motel 6 Chicago West Villa Park. A work desk is provided. Laundry facilities is on site. The Brookfield Zoo is 25 minutes drive from the Villa Park West Chicago Motel 6. The Rosemont Convention Center is 17 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.